Hi guys, welcome to CleverShakes. I'm Sara, and in this video we're gonna talk how match with yourself, how we match with people. We can match with ourselves. Sometimes in the life we don't know what to do, especially in this quarantine. For being in peace with ourselves, we have to match our thoughts, our heart, and our mind.
This is the perfect time to rethink about your life. If you are happy, if you want to be better,
if you are helping the people around you, like your family and your friends and your community. Step number 1. So guys, let's grab a piece of paper or a notebook and a pen. We gonna start to write down your qualities and your weakness. So we're gonna do it at least 5 qualities and 5 weaknesses that you have. Before this, think to yourself very well which one is stronger than the other ones. Yes guys, for this exercise, please stay alone. Take your time, take your space at home, and focus in yourself. Step number 2. Now we have that list and we gonna take away the qualities and we're gonna focus in the weakness. This weakness list, you have all the things you should to work to be better person.
Don't worry about it. You don't have to pressure yourself to be better.
But this exercise gonna help you to be aware about what you choose to work in and what you should to focus to create your special thing and help the world. So you know now about your weakness and what you have to work for be better, and we have the qualities in the other side. The qualities, we gonna take this paper with us all the rest of the steps. Step number 3. So in step number 3, we gonna do another list. This list, you should to write down all the things that is easy for you, all the things you have a talent. If you're a good writer, if you're a good talent person, good designer, good cooker, please write down all these things. Step number 4. Now we have 3 lists with our qualities, with our weakness, and with our talent. With these all things, we gonna create our purpose statement in the life.
What we gonna do, where we gonna go, and what you want to be in life.
Ask yourself, who person do you want to be in the future? Whose person do you wanna be? We're gonna start with this. We're gonna create another checklist and we're gonna connect all these things together. Step number 5. Now I'm gonna give you a secret. Please close your eyes. Start to breathe in. Start to breathe out. And start to focus in yourself. What your heart wants. Please apply this in every situation in your life. What your heart is saying to you. Step number 6. We got 4 lists with our qualities, talents or skills, our weakness, and with our proposal. We're gonna be very clear what we want to be, how we gonna build this, and how you gonna help other people with your purpose in life. Please be safe, stay home, be patient, love yourself, love the people around you, and try to be positive. Keep in mind and be clever.